So this is the engine side. You can see here, this one is the pressure plate, clutch pressure plate. So inside you can see the clutch disc is available here, and this one is the flywheel, and this is the engine side. Okay, so here, as I explained earlier, so two bottom side mounting bolts are there, and the remaining are at the top. So total 6 mountings are connecting in between the engine and the gearbox. Apart from the starter motor, that side you can see the starter motor. 3 mounting bolts are there. So normally we don't care if you are removing the first time, we forget to remove that one, but that is need to be take care about that, otherwise it can damage the mountings. So 3 starter motor mountings plus other 6 total mountings which are used to connect in between this engine and the gearbox. Okay, I was not having this gearbox jack, that's the reason I used this rope to make it down this gearbox. You can see here the other parts. So before removing the gearbox side, I supported the engine. I supported the engine with the help of the cement blocks and wooden blocks. In this case, we have to remove 6 mounting bolts to remove this gearbox. So you can see here 2 bottom mounting bolts, and 2 top mounting bolts, and both the sides you can see 1 2. So both the sides 2 mounting bolts. Total 6 main mounting bolts are there, but you have to ensure before removing these mounting bolts, these 3 starter motor mounting bolts, 1 2 3, this is very important. So this one is the clutch release bearing. Normal mechanical clutch, it's mechanically connected. Here it is connected with the help of a hydraulic cylinder. So this one is the clutch slave cylinder, or to release the clutch plate. Okay, so here you can see the release bearing is there, which is connected at the top side of the clutch slave cylinder, okay, or clutch release cylinder. So it's a hydraulic cylinder, acts as a hydraulic cylinder with a little bit larger diaphragm, larger piston. And here you can see the one pipeline is there and another pipeline is there. This pipeline is for the main passage or the main hydraulic flow coming from the clutch master cylinder, and this one is for the air bleeding purpose, to bleed the air trapped inside this cylinder. Okay, so here you can see the release bearing. Okay, so release bearing is there. Okay, with the help of hydraulic pressure, what happens, this bearing come towards front side. When there is no pressure, it moves back. When there is pressure, it comes towards front side. That means pushes the clutch diaphragm spring and release the clutch. So this one is for the bleeding purpose, and this one is for the main line connection from the master cylinder. So this one is the clutch slave cylinder or the release cylinder. Here you can see the release bearing is there, and this one is the main hydraulic flow line. So this one is a hydraulic pressurized hydraulic clutch fluid will come here. Okay, and it creates a lift inside this cylinder. Because of that lift, the release bearing comes towards this side and release the clutch. So here you can see this section is the another line for the bleeding purpose. Okay, now I need to replace this cylinder. Comes with an MRP 2576, the Ford original, genuine. clutch slave cylinder. So let's unbox it. Okay, this one is the new one and this one is the old one. So here the code number is there, both are same. Let's a little bit to lubricate inside before installation. Here I am using the same dot 4, but I am using the TVS make dot 4 brake and clutch fluid. Its cost 500 ml, comes with an MRP of 205. So you can see here, yeah, the 500 ml of dot 4 TVS brake and clutch fluid comes with an MRP of 205. So to lubricate, we need to disconnect the inlet pipe. There is a dummy plug is there. We have to remove the dummy plug from the inlet pipe. And first let's check it's going free or not. Yeah, it's moving free. You can see here. Yeah, it's moving very smooth. So slowly, otherwise it will splash out. Slowly I am pressing up, releasing, pressing up and releasing. The bearing is free or not. Yeah, the bearing is smooth. The choice is yours.